Glass artists in all honor, but you who work with car glass, you work in a different reality and under completely different conditions. Stop messing around. Contact us at Auto Glass Restore instead. Our Swedish-made tools make the job easier than ever. Design and product production was developed with 30 years experience from the automotive glass industry by repair technicians for repair technicians. With MegaVac Prime, you can get a complete repair system for perfect results. Everything collected in one and the same tool case. Among other things, our own developed injector is fitted with a simple hand grip. The precise pressure adjustment works for all glass in all situations. And when it's time for curing, UV Triple Plus can do the job with a special program that only takes 30 seconds. Select one of the UV lamp's presets and press the start button. When finished, a buzzer sounds and the lamp turns off automatically. It's as easy as it sounds. It is possible to cure at incredible 8 seconds if you hunt time. The lamp is that strong. Apart from top quality, the process is always quick, smooth, and smart. Do your employees and customers a service. Visit autoglassrestore.eu and order your MegaVac system today. Warm welcome.